Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Actually, I'll continue this on the same day. We have reached Ooty yesterday. It's the next day. I didn't vlog after the travel because I was too tired. We just went to some meeting for the real estate thing, and finally we came back to this hotel. We found this randomly on the Stay Vista app. So just check out the view. The view is insane. We just get lucky with this view. It is too good. Like this property is like 20 minutes away from Ooty, but the roads are pretty good, so that's fine. And yeah, we just came late. We came back at 8:30 or something back from the estates that we have been seeing. And we had dinner in the nearby restaurant, which is like has an insane view with a very good food. So we had dinner and came back to the property and just like chilled for a few hours and just went to sleep. Kaushik is still sleeping. As you can see, Kaushik is still sleeping. It's currently 7. And others also are sleeping. Let's see. So basically this is the room. Me and Kaushik were sleeping here. And just check out the view from the window. Directly from the window. Insane, right? Too good. Like, just look. If you can see the clouds just passing through the mountains and the tea plantation. Let's check on others. So this costed us 12,000 rupees for 2 rooms. There are basically 5 rooms in this property and we booked 2 of them. This is like a living room and it also has the same insane view. That's pretty good. And this is the other room where 3 people are staying. Ganesh is up. He's up. He was up early. Sai is still on the bed. In the bed. Ishwar, hi. No, I had the view this side also is amazing. This is like a sunrise view. So in the evening we get the sunset over there, but we'll be moving out in few hours. He's always on his phone. So that's it. Once we get up, we'll just have breakfast and actually check out from here and just go back to Bandipur. It's just a one-night stay here in Ooty, and it's pretty cold. In the night, it's like 12 degrees to 10 to 12 degrees. In the morning, it's pretty fine. It's around 20. So it's manageable. Yeah, I'll catch up with you in few minutes, which is 1 second for you. So we are starting from Ooty, heading back to Bandipur. Everybody is ready. Yeah, everyone is just settling in.
Show the condition of the car.
Yeah, the car is filthy right now. Have to get it washed as soon as possible. Yep, it's in the worst condition possible.
It's not the worst yet.
Yeah, the car is just, it's on a cold start. Warming up the engine. And yeah, let's head on to town, have some breakfast and head back to Bandipur. Let's go. Yep. This is the properties, guys. So that's five rooms, so total 10. We got 2 rooms in that house, and it's pretty good property, pretty spacious, but it's a up climb, like almost like 3-4 kilometers up. So yeah, it's pretty good. Check out the route to the property, guys. So this whole tea plantation.
ఐడియా చూడు ఒకసారి కష్టపడింది ₹100 తీసారా మొక్క పడితే.
It's pretty rough right here, but it gets better.
Just like life.
Oh,
Shit.
Oh my god. We are back to the yesterday's location where we had the dinner because just look at the views from here. It's pretty amazing. We are just here if we just came here for the breakfast and then head to Bandipur. Don't mistake him as a celebrity, he's just Kaushik. Miran. Check out the view, guys, from the restaurant. Here's the table and here's the view. Insane. Here's Sai. Mind escape. Here's some bar and just imagine a bar with this view. And there's a screen for the screening. A very good restaurant out here. Check out the lovebirds, guys. Lovebirds in their space, private space. Just check out the view. Too good. Kaushik is ready for the safari. And everybody. Ishwar got a t-shirt of Bandipur Tiger Reserve. And Ganesh got a hat. Everybody is already. So we are here in the safari entrance. We are just waiting for the vehicle. This is Bandipur Tiger. New t-shirt. So we are hoping for a tiger because we got the merch.
And we had a hack record that the present guide who is coming with us has always spotted a tiger.
Yeah.
That's how he goes for.
He is hyping it too much, so we are hoping
Let's
for a
see.
tiger. Yeah, let's see.
I think it will become a Saho or it will become a Salar. Let's see.
We have a dinosaur.
In front of you.
We are started. Like our guide. Let's hope. So we have been told today it's 100% sighting. So it's very exciting right now. We are just heading to the spot. I'll meet you there. It's quite windy, as you can see. Yeah, it's amazing the vibe.
So you can just see the route.
Yeah, I'll show you the road. Oh. This is Tiger Road.
సైలెంట్గా ఉండండి ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ అండ్ న్యాచురల్ ఫర్ సో అనిమల్స్ కనపడేది
We had no luck till now. It's been more than 1 hour. But still, it's a disappointment.
At least expecting the climax and climax to be at least satisfying.
But
We
I
have
doubt
spotted
it.
elephants, but there's no tiger in Tiger Reserve. Let's see.
I doubt it.
The tigers are all reserved.
but cheetah, black panther.
It is what it is. That's it. That's all I can say. Ganesh, your review?
not so adventurous yet, but I feel like we're gonna see 1 or 2 tigers, and a panther, and a leopard at the same time.
You expect more.
Staying optimistic is the one thing that we can
Yeah.
really get.
We'll see what we can do about it. Oh, I can see the road.
ఇది చేద్దాం కొంచెం మన కౌశిక్ కూడా రాలి సెట్ చేద్దాం ఆ వీడియో 100%
ఒక్కటి కనిపించట్లేదు.
So guys, we are back from the too disappointed. We are back from the safari and we have seen absolutely nothing except the elephants and the deers, the usual deers. Sambas. Samba deers. There was a type
And
of
we saw
deer.
one of the very rarest bird. I forgot its name.
It's normal bird, but it's rare here.
Yeah, but it is rare. So it is a rarest bird. And also
There
we,
is no
we even saw a wild boar.
Yeah, so
It's the only one
pumba.
which we saw new.
So
Huh?
అదొక్కటే కొత్తది. ఏం చూడలేదు మనం కొత్తగా.
and we even saw I think we saw rangoons and all.
Really?
Monkeys.
Monkeys.
మంకీస్ పోయేటప్పుడు
That is safari.
మధుమలకి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు
Bandipur safari, where there is a 200 tigers, but we didn't see any.
అంతా వేస్ట్.
And no leopard.
So basically I think the all the tigers are on
So
street.
basically, we got to know that there was a leopard in the compound we are staying, but not in the safari.
So
That's the magic.
and next time we come to Bandipur, we are going to meet the tiger for sure. This time.
Tiger will meet us.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it for today. Peace. Bye. Bangalore 14 kilometers under. 71 on that day. Bangalore city center. So we are back on the road, heading back home to Hyderabad. We are almost near to the border, and we are stopped by this amazing food mall, highway food mall. So this is supposed to be the India's largest highway food mall. And yeah, there's KFC and Happy Toys. Burger King.
Where?
Huh?
Empire.
Empire actually. We had food at Empire. And the architecture is amazing. They're really good, kept some work. So this is Starbucks. That it's a store. That's one more store. Outside there are multiple stores like Haldiram's, Leon's, KFC, Go Pizza. It's like a American theme. So if you can see, Empire, Go Pizza, Leon's. There are multiple stalls. This is like a proper themed complex, and the architecture is so good. It is proper thing. And if you go inside, this is the reception area where you can just chill. There's a couple of stores. Yeah, it's a good place to stop by.